So right now I was looking at the overall crypto market and things are looking a lot better. I've been seeing a lot of people feel very, very optimistic over the last 24 hours because of a few events that have happened, but I wanted to quickly go over some things that you need to know if you're invested in crypto right now. So if you enjoy this sort of content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's just jump right in. So right now, overall crypto market is up 3.11% over the last 24 hours. Within the last 3 to 4 hours, we've seen a dramatic spike in the overall crypto market. We saw Bitcoin's price in the $45,000 per coin range, but it has jumped back up to almost $48,000 per coin. We're seeing Luna, one of our favorite coins, up 15%. Polygon, which is a coin we've talked about dozens of times on the channel, up 5%. We're seeing a lot of, a lot of bullish signs with the overall market, but there are 2 or 3 things that you need to be aware of before I would say, oh yeah, just go all in, just put everything you have into crypto. Before I can say that, there are a couple of things that we do need to see happen. So first thing is Bitcoin. The bad news is that we did see Bitcoin's price break below this 200-day simple moving average. Historically, this is not the best of signs. This is usually bearish, but it's not the worst thing because what we're seeing is that even though we had a full daily candlestick close below this 200-day moving average, we have seen it bounce back very, very quickly. And what we have said multiple times over the last couple of months is that even if we break below it, it doesn't mean that we're going to enter a bear market. Why? Well, because we have been pretty much bouncing off of this line, trading right around it for the last couple of days, and it's going to be important to see what happens over the next week or so. Are we able to stay above this 200-day simple moving average? Second thing is going to be when we look at the 4-hour charts. When we look at the 4-hour charts, let's get rid of this, the moving average. When we look at the 4-hour charts, we have continued to trade in between this channel, just bouncing between support and resistance. Happened multiple times, so we are gearing up to see a breakout very, very shortly, either towards the upside or towards the downside. We really want to see a breakout towards the upside, but we're going to need to see Bitcoin's price break above right now, going to be around that let's just say $49,000 per coin, right? $49,000 per coin. If we could break above that, that would be a very good sign, very optimistic sign that we are going to see a bullish reversal happen. But right now, we have just been oscillating between support and resistance of this channel. Next thing that we have to be aware of with the overall market is that when we're looking at the RSI, when we look at daily RSI, we can see that we have been trending downwards over the last couple of, last 2 weeks really, since we reached all-time highs. Important thing here is that this has happened multiple times in the past. We saw this back in earlier 2021, and we saw the RSI trending downwards before we had a breakout, and we saw Bitcoin's price go from 28,000 up to 50,000. Then we saw again another downward trending for resistance for the RSI, daily RSI, and then again we saw another breakout, and that's when we saw Bitcoin's price break out. So if we follow this same pattern, while this time is a lot steeper, if we're looking at this resistance line, while it is a lot steeper, if we're following this same pattern, seeing this downward trending RSI breakout, that would mean that we need to see the daily Bitcoin RSI break above this downward trending line, this resistance right here, this white line. So we need to see it break above. How is it going to do this? Well, we're going to need to see a couple days in the green for Bitcoin in order for this to happen. So moving forward, before I'd say yes, just go all in, put all your money into crypto, we're going to see new record highs. I'd say just be careful because when we look at the market, yes, things are looking better right now, but we have seen this downward trend over the last couple of weeks that you can't ignore. You'd be foolish to ignore this because it has been happening. And even though overall, if look at the chart, you zoom out, we've trended upwards. If you look at what's happened over the last month and a half, we have been trending downwards. We did break below the 200-day moving average. And while I'm very bullish, I've not sold a single position. I'm just saying before I'd say let's go heavily into crypto, put more money in, I'd say just be careful because it's very possible that we continue to see the market oscillate between this support and this resistance for another couple of days. So don't get all excited just yet, but things are looking a lot better. We did see Bitcoin's price get back above on the daily charts, the 200-day simple moving average, which is a good sign. So things are looking better, but we can't confirm this bullish breakout just yet. But I'll let you know, keep you updated. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See you guys.